They'll test it, anything you see. Test it, post a video every single week. Healthy and unhealthy, just for you and me. Test it, anything you see.
Hey guys, welcome back to Test It.
We're going to be making lemon lime cupcakes today.
For the recipe today, you're going to need 2 cups of flour, preferably self-rising, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, half a cup of limeade or lime juice, 1 stick of melted butter, and if you want to add an extract, you can. Also, you'll need a lemon, measuring cups, and a bowl. So what you're going to need first is 2 cups of self-rising flour. Now, if you don't have self-rising flour, that is perfectly okay. All you're going to do is add about a teaspoon of baking soda to your all-purpose flour. Okay. Now, we're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar.
Yeah. Okay.
Next, we're going to add 2 eggs. Make sure all the whites and yolk and everything get in there.
Also, try not to spill any on the eggs outside.
If a little doesn't go in, that's okay. So now, we are going to add about half a cup of this limeade. We are using organic Simply limeade. Okay, now we're gonna mix a little bit to incorporate all those ingredients, and then we're gonna get butter melted. You're gonna take your 1 stick of butter and put it in the microwave for 45 seconds.
So now that our butter is done melting, we're going to go and incorporate it into the bowl.
So now we're just gonna grate some lemon zest into the cupcake mixture. Now this may take some time, so don't get annoyed if you don't get much zest in there. This is gonna take a few minutes, so enjoy the time lapse.
So while Isabella is grating the lemon, I preheated the oven to 400 degrees.
Yeah, and now we're gonna mix the mixture. Be careful because the flour will kind of explode if you don't mix it carefully. The mixture may look liquidy, but don't worry, it'll all turn out good at the end once you bake it.
Make sure all the ingredients are incorporated well, so they bake easily.
Yeah, and so that and make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl so you don't leave anything out. So right now we're going to be putting the batter into the cupcake holders. As so, the cupcake holders should be about 3/4 of the way full, and that's how they will bake perfectly. So now we're going to take the cupcakes and we're going to put them into the preheated oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Be careful because the oven's hot. Okay, now we're going to set a timer for 15 minutes.
So while the cupcakes are baking, we're going to make a fun lemon smoothie.
Okay, so first you're going to need 1 cup of ice. Cute. So now we have our 1 cup of ice. You're going to add this to the blender. Next, you're going to get 1 cup of yogurt of your choice. Next, you're going to get some lemon juice. Depending on how lemony you want to taste and how sour, you can add as much as you want. We are adding 2 lemon halves. Now you can add a little bit of fresh honey. And now we're gonna get some ginger. Now we're gonna add a little bit of ginger.
About 5 taps would be good.
About 2 taps of crushed mint. And then about 1 tap of turmeric. Okay, now you blend.
So now we're going to be pouring our finished smoothies. Don't be scared if it's a little chunky. It's supposed to be an icy drink, so there's nothing wrong with it. We're pouring it slowly just to make sure that it doesn't spill all over the place because of the chunks.
So now the cupcakes should be ready. We just checked them by putting a toothpick inside them. No batter came out, so they're ready. They should look about like this. Okay guys, so it's time for the taste test. We are going to be trying our drinks first. Okay, ready? Very lemony.
Yeah. And you can taste the yogurt and it's kind of cool. It's like a slushy.
Okay, I like this.
Definitely a summer drink.
Okay, let's try the cupcake muffin.
Yeah. They're really good.
Really good.
You can mainly taste the vanilla, but there's still a hint of like lemon and stuff, so that's pretty cool.
These are really good though. I recommend. Alright guys, well that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!